Okay, I would like to show you how you can actually set up the formatting in certain cells. It's kind of plagued some of the people, and they wonder why. Let's say that your rows, your height has been increased, and you would like either the text in the middle. That's not the same as center. Center is when you're going this way. Watch. Do you see these two buttons up here? One of these sets of buttons will put this at the top. This will put it in the middle. And this will put it at the base, at the bottom. Now, since it's at the base, you can see it's indented. Now watch what happens to the font that I've selected if I choose the middle. And then I can use the top. You see, that's how you can regulate. Because you see the bottom set down here defines whether it's in the center this way. Watch how it will center it now. See down here? You see, it's centered all that. So now you can see the difference between somebody says put it in the middle, and that's in the middle, but it's also put in the center.